Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to do and complete Aviva KYC. Aviva KYC is the process of gathering and verifying customer information to comply with regulations and tailor insurance solutions to individual needs. If you click on the single option here, you can find different options. It will show you the right plans. Aviva Fortune Plus plan is a unit-linked insurance plan for wealth creation and financial security with added convenience. Aviva iGrowth Online ULIP optimizes your return on investment. Aviva Signature Investment Plan offers flexibility to manage your money. You can discover their best insurance plans here. Here you can learn why to prefer Aviva Life Insurance. Now select any plan from here by clicking on Calculate Premium. Here you need to enter your full name, then enter your mobile number. Next, enter your email. Then, read the terms and conditions and accept them. Once you have entered all the details, click on Next. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.